Prisoners of Geography. 10 Maps That Tell You Everything You Need to Know About Global Politics is a book by Tim Marshall that explores how geography influences the political and social dynamics of different regions around the world. Here is a summary of its key points of Chapter 3, related to the United States. Number 1. Geography naturally secures borders of USA. The location of the United States makes it nearly invulnerable. While most countries have to worry about invasions, the United States does not. On the east and the west, the United States has the advantage of having Atlantic and Pacific Oceans as borders. This cuts them off from invasions in these areas because any invader would have to cross an entire ocean to get there. The neighbors to the north and the south are on friendly terms. Moreover, these borders are so large that any army attempting to invade through them would have to have impossibly long supply lines. Number 2. Impact of geography on infrastructure, transportation and trade. Water bodies of USA have historically influenced the transportation infrastructure in the country. The Mississippi River has historically been a significant trade route and has influenced the country's development. Rivers like the Mississippi and the Missouri have influenced settlement patterns and transportation networks. Inland waterways have historically connected different parts of the country, enabling trade and development. Number 3. Impact of geography on people and culture. The Appalachian and Rocky Mountains have played a role in isolating and shaping different cultural and economic regions within the country. The Rocky Mountains create a significant divide between the West Coast and the rest of the country. Number 4. Impact of geography on political divisions. The cultural and geographical divide between the North and the South played a significant role in the American Civil War. The urban-rural divide continues to shape political preferences and policy priorities. And number 5. USA's geography regulates its international relations. The proximity of Canada and Mexico has shaped trade relationships and security concerns. The Rio Grande River forms a natural border with Mexico, leading to debates about immigration and border control. Number 6. Impact of coastlines on power generation, trade activity and economy. The East Coast's extensive coastline has facilitated trade and economic growth throughout history. The West Coast's ports have contributed to the region's economic prominence. Number 7. How geography influenced Constitution of USA. In addition to natural defenses, there is one more thing that makes the U.S. so secure: its lenient gun laws. American citizens own an estimated 393 million guns, which allow every small town to have the ability to take up arms and defend themselves without the government, if necessary. The right to bear arms is part of the American Constitution, and is so deeply woven into the social fabric. Those guns are easy to reach for many Americans. Any force attempting to invade the United States would not just have to contend with the U.S. Army. They would have to fight a new set of armed civilians in every city. Number 8. Influence of geographical resources on USA foreign policy making. Access to natural resources, including oil and minerals, has influenced the USA's foreign policy decisions. The control of strategic waterways, like the Panama Canal, has been a key geopolitical concern. Number 9. Impact of geography on USA climate and agriculture. The diversity of climates in the USA has led to varied agricultural production, affecting economic development and trade. Regions with more arable land and favorable climates have driven agricultural economies. Number 10. Impact of geography on USA's global positioning and influence. The USA's geographical location has contributed to its global influence as a superpower. Proximity to Europe, Asia, and Latin America has shaped its role in international affairs. Number 11. Geopolitical challenges arising due to geography of USA. The Arctic's melting ice has opened up new shipping routes and resource extraction possibilities, leading to potential geopolitical tensions. Rising sea levels due to climate change pose risks to coastal cities and infrastructure.